In this video, I'm going to review the Crypto.com Syndicate event and show you the results of my investment that I made 2 weeks ago. Hey, welcome to a new video. 2 weeks ago, I posted this video on my channel, Buy Bitcoin with a 50% discount, and was a special event made by Crypto.com with their program called Crypto.com Syndicate event. This is the event page where they sold Bitcoin for a bit over $4,000. And a lot of people enjoyed my video. However, there were people like Scott here who says that this smells fishy. And I like his attitude, because whenever you see someone selling you cryptocurrency at 50% off discount, a very good offer that seems that is too good to be true, you should be very concerned about that, because most of the times that will be a scam. Most of the times, if it's actually not most of the times, every time is too good to be true, is most probably a scam. But Scott here actually inspired me to make this video a feedback of my results over the event. And let me introduce you to the Syndicate program in case you missed my last video. The Syndicate, it's an offer from Crypto.com which gives you the opportunity to buy cryptocurrency at very good prices. But in order to do that, you'll have to stake at least 10,000 CRO. What does that mean? It means that you'll have to buy their token called Crypto.com coin, CRO for short, and stake at least 10,000 CRO. Staking means you'll have to hold that amount of coins in their application for a certain amount of time. And the minimum amount of time you can stake this CRO for is 6 months. The benefit of this staking is that you receive a 20% per annum interest on those coins, and also you can participate in these syndicate events where you buy cryptocurrency at lower prices. So 10,000 CRO would mean 10,000 will mean almost $500. So if you buy $500 worth of CRO and stake it in the application, you receive 20% interest per year for those coins, and also you can participate in this event. What was special about this previous event I was participating in, the Bitcoin Halving Special, is that they let people in even though they didn't have a stake. So all you have to do is sign up with Crypto.com and buy their coins up to 3,200 CRO, and you could just pledge that amount to buy Bitcoin at half price for a maximum amount of $200. But this was a very popular event, and what it happened is that they had allocated $1 million worth of Bitcoin for this event. However, there were more people that signed up for this event than this $1 million allocated, and I will show you in a minute how much. So that these are the maximum amounts you can buy for, but you'll get a much less quantity. So to wrap up the Syndicate, it's an event from Crypto.com that if you stake 10,000 CRO, you receive interest on it, and you'll be able to buy cryptocurrency at discounted prices whenever they have these events. And by the looks of it, they have it every 2 weeks. So this one is coming up, and these are the previous ones. So let me show you the results. I did the math here. For 2 cases, you pledge the minimum amount to buy Bitcoin without staking, and the results for staking 10,000 CRO. First off, let's go here, and you can see the announcement emails that I received, then that my subscription was confirmed. So this was a total Bitcoin they allocated. It was worth $1 million. I contributed here 16,000 CRO, and this was the price the subscription started at. And then I was notified the subscription was ended. After the subscription ended, I had to accept my allocation, which for 6,000 CRO I received 0.00961 Bitcoin. And this was the total CRO contributed by all participants. Like I said, there was 1 million worth of Bitcoin allocated for this event. but all the participants contributed with and this number here is $13,346,000. So they allocated $1 million for the event, but people wanted to buy Bitcoin at half price for 13 million. That's why the amount they stated here, that will be the maximum amount, you have to roughly divide it by 13. But I'll get to that in a second. So this was my final allocation. This is the amount of Bitcoin I was going to receive, and I had to review and accept this allocation. Otherwise, it would have been withdrawn. And then I received the email where my final allocation was confirmed. So I contributed 16,000 CRO for this event. I received this amount of Bitcoin, and over 15,000 CRO was refunded back to me. So let's get to the math behind it. Was this investment profitable? In order to make this investment, I had to buy 26,000 CRO. 10,000 CRO was for staking, and 16,000 CRO was this maximum amount here, so I can buy up to $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. So I had to buy 26,000 CRO, which was valued at the time of the event at $1,659. So 10,000 went to staking, which right now is worth of $693. Actually, I did this calculation a bit earlier, but as you can see, the price already went up. So 10,000 CRO is even more now. But let's continue with these calculations, because these numbers are always influenced by the volatility of the price. The price can go up, can go down if I keep my money in these coins. So like I said, the staked amount is worth $693 when I made this calculation. And because these coins are staked for 6 months and I receive interest on them, after 6 months, if the price stays the same, it doesn't go up or doesn't go down, they will be worth $762 after 6 months. But of course, the price can go up or it can go down. But if it stays the same, this would be the worth of the coins. Then I got refunded this amount of CRO, which is an amount of $1,066. And the BTC I was given is today worth $87, which was worth $42 at half price. So even though the maximum amount of Bitcoin that I could have received was $1,000, in the end, because the event was oversubscribed, too many people want to get in this offer, I only received $42 worth of half price Bitcoin. Okay, so what all this means? It means that my investment today is worth $1,846 today. And after 6 months, if the price of CRO stays the same, it can be worth $1,915, which it means right now I am at $187 in profit, or 11% profit. And in 6 months, I can be at 15% profit. And all this just by buying the CRO token, invest into this syndicate event, and wait for the coins to be allocated to me. So these are the results for a 10,000 stake investment. But what if you didn't want to stake any coins and you just wanted to buy Bitcoin at half price? Your only option was to buy 3,200 CRO, which was worth around $205 at the time of the event. And from that, you would be refunded $221 worth of CRO, and you would receive $17 worth of Bitcoin today, which was worth $8 worth of Bitcoin at half price at the time of the event. So you could have bought Bitcoin up to $200, but in the end, because the event was so popular, you only received $8. But in the end, you still received $8 worth of Bitcoin at half price, just by buying some CRO and pledge it to the event. After the event, of course, you can just take out the coins, sell it back to whatever coins you want, cryptocurrency or stable coins, and your investment would be $238 worth today, which means $33 in profit, and in percent that will be 16% of profit. In conclusion, Crypto.com is a reputable company. It's a reputable exchange that I'm using all the time. Has a lot of features, has a lot of benefits. If you're thinking about using the Syndicate, these are the results you can expect. I don't know how profitable the other events are, but these are the results of this one. So this is what you can expect from this channel. I only recommend products and services that you can benefit from. And as you can see, I'm transparent about it and I test things first on myself. So if you like this content, if you find it valuable, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe, because I post videos like this at least once a week. If you have questions or special requests, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know. I'm happy to chat with you and answer your questions. So don't be shy, leave me a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.